2025 camping once a month trip number 1. Harry Potter. Can't go on a trip without Harry Potter. And look at this. This thing is frozen in there. That's how we're starting off our trip.
What's frozen?
The thing, the cup that I tore apart. See it? What was that, big guy? This one. We're at the selfie station here in Blue Mountain State Park. We can go do some climbing. Yes, first official hike, and all they can talk about is their donuts. It's like loose. I can hear it. I can hear it oozing in there.
We just finished our first stop. Our next stop, Egypt.
Oh man. What is this, Max? Destination number what?
2.
Doesn't it? This is only 2?
Yeah.
What? All right. Well, let's see here. Yeah. And we got water everywhere. Woo! Look at that. Well, that's a 6-6, boys. Should we drive home now?
Okay.
What? You don't want to go home? Where do you want to go? Oh, out there. What do you guys think? Is this gonna work? Guess we'll find out.
How should I know?
Well, that was a fail. Right as I finished cooking, this guy said he has to poop.
We just found an ice cream.
I'd say the highlight of the trip so far is this big frozen pond and the boulders down there.
Now we're gonna go onto the ice.
What? We were just on the ice for like an hour.
I know. But and we forgot to go under the bridge.
On the bridge?
Under the bridge.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not cold at all.
We've seen how deep the ice is, but now we're leaving.
Yeah, now we're leaving. Still gotta set up camp, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna be doing it in the pitch black. Whoa. Who's got the disco light going on in there? Setting up camp quick.
Hello.
What do you think, Dom? Getting this set up. Got the bunk bed all looking good. Let's come around from this side. Oh yeah, looking good. Oh man, I almost didn't make the bunk bed, and that it turned out to be the best decision ever, putting in that extra work to finish it off. What do you guys think?
Good.
You guys both, how about you both sleep on the bunk bed, and then I'll get the whole main bed to myself. What do you think?
Yeah.
Deal?
Yeah.
Woo!
Hey.
What?
We're eating
So creepy.
hot dogs.
Hot dogs roasted over the buddy heater.
Huh?
New camping favorite. Take a cone, fill it with mini marshmallows, chocolates, and strawberries, and then cook it on the heater. Yeah, look at that.
I just secretly ate 5 marshmallows that Dad spilled. Don't tell him.
I'm secretly gonna spank you.
How dare you?
It's not gonna be a secret. All right, look it up. Oh, jeez, I'm so tired. I can't even talk. Try number 2. Look at, we got our 2 red lights. This is exactly what we do at our house. And when I learned that these lanterns can go red, I was like, heck yes. It's absolutely what we want. Are you gonna sleep in your jacket and snow pants? What do you think? Is Max sleeping or is he tricking?
Trekking.
I think he's sleeping pretty hard. I'm surprised by how cold it was in here. I mean, it wasn't cold, it was perfect.
Dad, see, he was trekking.
Oh, hi, good morning there, sir. I left a huge gap in one window and the door cracked on the other side, so lots of cross ventilation. And Mr. Buddy heater. I'd say it's about 40 to 50 degrees in here, so definitely needed our sleeping bags. I kind of like that it's chilly. It makes it more camping. Thanks, guys, for making it easy for me to talk to my camera. Oh, you're all done talking now?
Dad,
What?
I want to turn all the lights on white.
Okay, here it goes. Ready?
No. Yeah.
It's so bright. There we go. Good morning, blue lights. The sun is up. I mean, it's really not. That's what it's like outside. All right, let's see. Is it cold outside? Oh. Yep. Almost forgot these behind. It would have made for a very stressful night for me. Carbon monoxide detector, and then we actually have a fire alarm up there. Like the 5th night that I ever slept in a van, the cracks and everything froze over while I was sleeping. I didn't realize it, and my carbon monoxide detector probably saved my life. It started screaming. I couldn't even get out of the door because the doors were frozen shut from like this sleet rain that encased my van in ice. So yeah, never ever gonna run a heater inside a fan without a CO detector. And you shouldn't either.
Ow! Ow!
Get him, Dom. Get him. Oh, don't fall, big guy. Oh my gosh, there's stuff up there. Oh, look at that.
What is that?
It's an old tape player and a DVD of God's Not Dead. Okay. Wild. You can even open that hatch and get on the roof.
Okay. That looks new on the outside.
Winter camping is just the best. Let's go, boys! Well, that was one of the most miserable things I've ever done. Sometimes nature calls, and I guess here out in the hyper-exposed open fields of Minnesota is when nature called for me.
Are you filming about your poop?
I am filming about my poop. This is how cold it is. My wet wipes froze solid in the time that I was using them.